Yeah, hello. Welcome to my channel. So today we will discuss how to again. I will repeat the session like last video. So creating levels, creating grids. Now today we'll start the new topic called walls. The architectural part today we will discuss walls and how to place doors, windows, ceilings, and as well as roof and openings for the model. Okay. Today we'll see these all topics. First of all, to create levels, you can go to the elevations first. To create the levels, go to the elevation view. So by default, we have two levels here. I already told you in the last video, so how to create levels. So you can go to level shortcut is LL. Okay. So levels shortcut is LL, or in datum panel we have level optional. So just click on here, or directly you can click on shortcut LL in your keyboard. Okay, just oh yeah, use a pick line always. Use pick line. Give the offset value like floor to floor distance is 4000 mm, like 4 meters. Okay, now simply just immediately you can rename it. Just click on this. Directly you can change here in the properties browser. You can change here like this is called ground floor ZF, or just double click here. You can change here first floor. Use always maintain uh, the same letters, like either you can follow capital letters or small. Okay, you should prefer as per your company standards, like namings. You should follow this one. You should follow like as per your company standards. Second floor, third floor. The final one is you can place a roof. Roof. Okay, now immediately just go to here. Remember that always in your model first you have to create the levels in elevation view. Don't create grids. If you create grids first, level other levels will not get reflect the grids. So first you have create all the levels. Now you can create grids in one level, it will reflect in all levels. Otherwise you can create first in level 1 level 2 grids. After that you have created levels means the grids will not reflect in the other views. Okay, that's why the reason you should create first let's levels. Now pick line, just I'm giving 10,000. You should follow here 1 2 3. Okay, now you use normal line, put it here 0 like it's horizontal na? Now you can take horizontal view. You should rename this one. Rename this as like I already in the last video. So you should place either it should be numbers, it should be alphabets, or it should be numbers, it should be alphabets, vice versa, like this. A. Okay, so now the grids you can yeah, you can delete this one, extra one. So if you want this grid bubble head top, you can on this one like this. You can on, or you can select directly, go to edit type, go to edit type and you can switch on here. Yeah, switch on here, plan view symbol end1 default, you can check it here. All bubbles will come, both sides. Okay, in detail I explained in the last video, you can check that one also. Okay, now first topic is how to place walls. So here there are you can in the architectural tab here, walls, build panel, wall will be there. Okay, or you can place your cursor on your wall, it will shows you the shortcut. See, beside of wall a word, there is a, in brackets it will represent WA is the shortcut for wall. Okay, just type in WA in your keyboard, and when you are typing key wall command or wall shortcut, you will get draw tools here. Based on these draw tools, your wall shape will follows. So if you are taking here rectangle, the your it will come in the rectangle shape. If you take in the circle, it will come in the circle shape. Okay, this will discuss later. Take the rectangular wall and don't draw directly in the model the workspace here wall, but you need to consider some options here when you are drawing wall. So here you can see it should be height wall, architectural wall always height wall, and it should be connected to in which level it is, you are in the ground floor. So directly the wall cannot be constructed to roof level, it will be constructed to level based, right, ground floor to first floor. Okay, then it should be I will detail, in detail I will explain one video. So in the wall concept you can use wall center line. So here always put allow status. Okay, if you put disallow, if you put disallow, what will happen, I will show you in the coming sessions. In detail I'll explain in the wall concept. Okay, today we'll discuss the architectural elements. So here you can draw like this wall. Okay, whether it is coming properly or not. So in Revit you should always, you have to check in 3D view immediately whether it is coming or properly, or in elevation you can check here. See here, if you put in the realistic mode, so you will get, see here, yeah, when you are putting the wall the ground floor, it will be up to first floor it will come. Okay, now similarly you can create here wall, and in this is called, the name is, it is called type selector. Type selector means in the type selector there are different types of walls will be loaded in the Revit live in the Revit software. Okay, different types of walls will be available. So for example, there are two types, right, curtain walls, normal, these type of exterior block, these all things, right, stacked wall. So here first we will discuss, later I will tell you this in detail, about the wall concept in single video only I will explain all these things, but today you can take a generic one. For example, interior walls, it is a 200 thickness. For example, interior walls like a 150 thickness. So in the here in the same generic 200 wall is there, but 150 wall will not be existed in the this type selector. So that is the reason you can go to edit type. So we have to create the customization of generic 150 wall, duplicate 150 wall. Just this is just we are changing name only, not in the structure. Thickness we cannot change, but here immediately you can see what is the width here, 200. So to change here you can come to edit structure, click on 150 Okay, now 150 wall is created, 200 wall is there, 150 so you can take 150 So go to 3D view. Okay, see here, your wall is clear. If you want to see this floor plan view, three ways side by side, there is a command called WT, window tiles. You will get floor plan and this one in side by side, or TW. It will go to single window. How many windows you have open? So when you are typing WT, those many windows will be viewing like this side by side. Okay. So now, for example, first we have to draw the floor. Here in the architectural tab, in the build panel, we have floor option also. Take the floor, take this rectangle, or you can use sketch method also, no problem. For your understanding, I'm taking it too easily like the just I'm taking. When you are drawing in floor plan, automatically it is you for this architect floor. So we just tell con detail action one video was to customize materials. Okay, now just upload it. You can go to ceiling as now. You ceiling in draw in the floor plan or in the ceiling plan also. So you can both things both ways you can do. So here in the architectural tab ceiling, use sketch ceiling. You can draw in the floor plan also. Why? Because so when you are seeing the properties here, where the ceiling is placed above the from the ground level to 2600, that means by default ceiling level only it is placing. Okay, just finish it. Automatically ceiling will be placed here. So this is a plain ceiling. So in type selector we have different types of grid ceilings already there. So grid ceiling, generic, this diagram based on your requirement you can choose it. And here also we can create a customization as per your project requirement also. So different types of materials. So we can do that one as well. Okay. Yeah. Now we can doors. Now we can the door shortcut is you can please see here door DR. When you are clicking on the door, so here only single flush doors will be available. If you want to load double doors, you can go to insert tab, load family. So here you need to understood that like in 2022, so the software will downloaded only, but the families will not be downloaded. So it will be in the cloud. Load from Autodesk family, like it will be there. So you have to observe it will be in cloud. So families will be in the cloud. So in the load family, you can go to doors. Here we have different types of doors available here. Residential. Yeah, I want to load this one. So here there are different sizes available if you want to all sizes or if you want only one size. Now you can type dr door command. Door in type selector you have single door. You can choose single door also. So here in selecting the door, there are these are called temporary dimensions. Okay, if you want to move this door to this side, you can just click on here, uh, 2000. It will be moved directly. If you this wooden frame you want to shift this side, you can shift this side. If you want to swing inside, you can go to inside like that. You can place. Okay, you can observe 3D also. Okay, yeah, like this. Understood? Now same way you can place windows also. WN windows. You can place windows also. When placing window, you should take about sill height. Sill height. So sill height means the FFL bottom of the window. If you are for example 1000, you want to put some areas better ventilation. You can place like this, like this. See here. Even you can place 3D also. That's okay for your understanding. Okay. Yeah. You example. You want to see this play. We will do so this so first part like